How to buy Club, the Ape ClubTOKEN crypto coin. Now, before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, to be able to buy this token, this is their X account. Take a look at it. Now, after that, to be able to buy this token, now it's available in the screener. Now, make sure you have an account on it. If you don't have, just go and create one. Now, after you find the token in the screener, just copy the token address and make sure it is under the Solana network. Now for that we will use the Phantom wallet because it's easy to do the buy process. Now click on swap and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click on here. Now paste the address of that token to find the right token so that you can't lose your money. Now after that, click on that token and here type how much you want to buy with the Solana. So this is how much you will receive of that token. Now from the provider, select one of these. For example, select Jupiter. Note that after you click on swap, they will redirect you to Jupiter provider to complete the buy process. After that, you will buy this token. So you may notice this icon. It's the lock icon. It's mean that the liquidity is 100% locked. It's mean that your investment is in safe place. So this is how to buy the club or the Ape ClubTOKEN. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.